Look at the color of the sky. Holy crap. Okay, it said there was gonna be 100% chance of rain. So I have to bring my umbrella. Look at the color of the sky. Look at it. Holy crap. I have to go through here, so holy crap, man. Look at it. It looks a lot more color-like in real life because I'm looking at the camera. So the lighting is a little bit different, but holy crap. What happened here? Was that always there before? Holy crap. Whoa. Okay, I just saw a thunder bear. I don't know if you guys saw that. You guys probably didn't, but holy crap. Oh my god. Whoa. Yeah, there's definitely gonna be 100% chance of rain. Got my umbrella. Oh my god. Okay, so the reason why I haven't uploaded yesterday, I was supposed to upload a video yesterday. I don't know if you guys saw my last short announcement video. Oh God. I was pretty tired yesterday. So that's why I didn't upload a video. And my sister wanted her laptop back, which is fine. I wonder how long I'm gonna be recording this crap. I'm not sure if this is going to be the only video I'll be uploading today. I might not make a bunch of different videos for today, but I'm not going to record a bunch of different videos of me at school today. So, crap. I'm going to have to blur that out if you guys saw that. I don't want you guys to find out. But anyways. I may not record a bunch of videos today. This might be the only video that I'll be recording for today, but I'll upload the videos I should have uploaded yesterday, but I was too damn tired. Whoa, holy crap. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got a shot of that. Whoa! I hope I got that. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to highlight that. I don't even do highlights when I'm filming a GoPro video, but because of that, I'm gonna have to highlight that and look back at that footage. Holy crap. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but it looks red over there. What? Yeah, there's gonna be 100% chance of rain, and I'm glad that I got my umbrella. What was that noise? I heard a wow. Did you guys just hear that? Looks pretty sinister in here.